Have you ever thought about how websites, mobile apps, games, and robots work? The simple answer is coding. Coding is the process of giving instructions to computers so they can perform different tasks. In today's video, we will learn what coding is, why it's important, and how you can start learning it. So let's begin. First, what is coding? Coding is the process of giving instructions to a computer so it knows what to do. Just like we use languages such as English or Nepali to communicate with people, programmers use programming language to communicate with computer. For example, if you tell a computer show a message, open a website, calculate a number, you need to write these instructions in a programming language. This is called coding. Why do we need coding? Almost everything digital around us is built using coding. Coding is used to create websites like Google and YouTube, mobile app like Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, video games, banking system, artificial intelligence and robot. Without coding, computers would not know what tasks to perform. That's why coding is one of the most valuable skills in today's digital world. Let's understand coding with real life example. Imagine you are making a cup of tea. It follows some steps. First, what do we need? Boil water, add leaves, add sugar, pour into a cup. If you miss a step, the tea may not be prepared correctly. Coding works the same way. A programmer writes step-by-step instructions and the computer follows them exactly. This sequence of instruction is called a program. Some popular programming languages. There are many programming languages, each designed for different purpose. Some popular programming languages are Python, easy for beginner and used in AI. Java, used in Android application. C language, foundation of programming. JavaScript, used for websites. C++, used in software and game development. If you are beginner, Python and C are great language to start with. Let's quickly recap. Coding means writing instructions for computers. It helps create website, app, games and software. Programming language help us communicate with computer. Learning coding open doors to amazing career opportunities. If you are interested in technology, coding is a skill worth learning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming videos. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep coding, keep growing.